We face the challenges of rebuilding old F1 cars.
CATIA is now much more than 3D design, but is look at the overall system engineering of a complex product.
AI can be a potential game changer.
At Electron Aerospace, everything is integrated, almost works like a systems architect.
Drawings or physical parts that you want to scan, and suddenly you can rebuild automatically the virtual twin of those products.
TECHNIA has all the understanding of how the platform works and how to implement it, and we understand the engineering, and with TECHNIA we were able to really collaborate and bring those two parts together.